Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I'm at the stadium. This is a BMW autocross event and I'm instructing today and show you a few nice cars. This is a nice Porsche Turbo. Check that out. Lamborghini. Alright, so I just went out in this car. This is Dan's car. It's a really built up, track-worthy car with a new motor in it. And it ran great. So, look at the throttle bodies on that. Haha, fun. There's a BMW Roadster. And it's flying the BMW colors. Nice. Well, I'm done with the autocross back home, and I just saw this Amazon Prime truck with a cool truck with a cool logo on it. So I just tack it right on the end here. There you go. Won't see him on the autocross course, but fun to see him in the neighborhood. It means somebody's getting something.